Welcome back. Today we are going to look at how to draw shapes again, but this time how to blend the shapes to become one. So let's get started. Let's come to the rectangular shape here. Let's click and drag to draw a rectangle. After drawing the rectangle, now we want to draw another shape. So come here, click, we have combine shape, click on the combine shape, draw another shape. Let me see, another rectangle. Now go to the move tool and click. You see that now the shape has become one. It has combined the two shapes and they are becoming one, or they have become one. Now let's give it a color. These shapes seems like they are two different colors, two different shapes, but in effect it is one shape. So in mathematics, if they ask you to draw a shape like this and you want to use Photoshop to create the shape, that is what you do. Then we can also add a different shape, assuming we want to draw a shape. Combine shape. Then you draw. You see that the shape has also come to join the other one. The ellipse has also joined to make a different shape altogether. So if you want to combine the shapes, that is what you go through. Then at the same time, let me reduce this. Okay, let me open it up. Assuming we want to take up a shape from this one too, what do? You click on the over tool again, come here, select subtract, then clicking on the subtract, then you draw the shape. You see that it has subtracted from the original shape we have over here. It has subtracted from the original shape over here. So we can draw another one. So that is it. They will look like they are different shape when you select, but in effect they are all combined as one shape. That is how to draw different shapes and combine as one, how to reduce certain part from the shape and the rest. We can, let me say, shade the intersection of a shape. With this selected shape, now you come to intersect shape. So you draw your shape. So you see that it has shaded that particular region alone for you. Also, we have what we call exclude overlapping shape. So this means that wherever we have the intersection will not be part of the work that we are going to do. The intersection will not be part. So just select it this way. So you see that to highlight and remove where the two shapes meet, where the triangle, where the rectangle and the ellipse or the circle where they meet. So that place has become white. So by so doing, this is how we do combine shapes into one. Also, when you come to the shape and you want to draw the excluding parts, it will remove the whole thing from that particular place, exclude the overlapping shape. Assuming we are drawing it inside the rectangle, this is what it will become. You see that it has taken out the fill shape and it has picked the shape of the background. Meaning if the rectangle it were to be a cardboard, you will take that particular shape and it will be hollow. So if it is a 3D object, you see that that place will become what? A hole. It will not be like we have drawn a shape on top of the other one. Assuming we are drawing a shape, a brand new shape, this is how it will look like. You see, this is a brand new shape. You see that it did not pick the color of the background. So when you give this a color, let me give it a color here. You see that it has taken a different color altogether. And when you check here, you could see that the rectangle is there as with the oval inside as one shape. Then the ellipse that we have just drawn or the circle is also as a shape. Then this is the background, the main background. So you see that it has taken this shape out of the rectangle. So assuming if you are doing a design and you need to get a shape that is hollow, that there's a hole inside, that is what it will become. So that is taking out shapes, adding shapes, combining shapes, and the rest.